For example, Cambry, how long have you been in a wheelchair?
20 years from a horse accident, and my last wheelchair, it was $8,000, but my Paradox chair was $1,900, and it only took about 6 to 8 weeks.
How long did it take you to get your insurance chair?
It was a year from getting a prescription to getting it in my hands.
Wow. Bailey, what about you?
I was injured 7 years ago from a blood clot in my spinal cord. My last chair was about $10,000. My Paradox chair was $2,100, and it took about 6 weeks when compared to 6 months.
I got into a car accident 9 years ago. My last insurance wheelchair cost about $5,000, took about 6 months to get. And then my Paradox chair cost $2,300.
I was injured 3.5 years ago. I fell out of a tree. My first chair through insurance cost $12,000. And this chair, my Paradox chair, I got for $1,649. It took 5 weeks to get here as opposed to 6 months for my insurance chair.
So we are able to build chairs way faster and way cheaper, and a lot of these chairs have upgrades on them, but our chairs start at $999.